Beau May Ray Stationery Company Limited is an experienced manufacturer who specializes in a variety of stitching products, including bags, wallets, EVA cases, card holders, leather items. As a golden supplier on Alibaba for above 9 years, we enjoy great reputation in this industry, and we have been granted ISO 9001:2015 certification. Owing our unique design, favorable quality, and reasonable price offerings, we have established long-term business relationship with many remarkable brands around the world. Nevertheless, we never stop improving our production lines in order to explore the potential market and satisfy more different customers. Our factory is well equipped with high-tech machinery and 104 skilled workers, which can guarantee the productivity above million pieces on annual basis. We always insist on rigorous quality control system and high standard inspection. In addition, we have built up the strong sales teams. Our staff are well educated and able to offer prompt and professional response to every customer, no matter when and where. Above all, we are expert in customization for world-class branding. It is attributed to our strong product design teams that constantly come up with extraordinary ideas. Please feel free to discuss your designs, and we have the ability to execute every detail and translate your custom concepts thoroughly, which make your business lucrative. Looking forward to striving for the mutual benefit with you.
With the ISO certificates, we are manufacturing different products for many brands, including case, bag, business gift set, and packaging products. Here is our sales team with about 60 people. We are available online to give service and offer solutions to our clients.